swear to you, this is the best pizza you will find in all of New York.
Don't listen to this puzzle, okay? Everybody knows that John's Pizza is the best pizza in New York.
John's Pizza is not the best pizza. John's Pizza ain't even the best bagel.
Well, of course it's not even the best bagel. It's not even a bagel.
A pizza is basically a bagel with a bunch of schmutz on it, and it ain't even the best of that.
You're talking about bagels like you know about bagels, okay? Shlomo's is the best bagels in New York. It's just that.
That is not fact. Shlomo's is not the best bagel. Yitzhak's is the best bagel in all of New York.
Okay, no, you're talking about bagels like you know about bagels. You know how much she knows about bagels? Donuts, okay? She knows donuts about bagels.
Not, and I repeat and emphasize the word not, get me started on donuts, all right? Everyone knows that Crazy Izzy's best donuts in all of New York.
Each day you grow more foolish proportionate to the amount of trash you shovel down your gullet, okay? Daft steak donuts are the best. They're light, they're fluffy, they're fried in duck fat.
And he wonders why his wife will not sleep in the same bed as him. Daft Dave is disgusting.
Oh,
look at yourself.
You want to talk about disgusting? How about that joke of a falafel hut you go to, huh? Nadirs?
I love
More like
Nadirs.
no dears, because that's what any friend or loving partner would say to you if suggested.
Oh, and let me guess, you think that what's that place, Shalox? You think that is better? Shalox is so bad. I'll tell you how bad Shalox is. Shalox is so bad that no one in the entire Middle East will now name their baby that on penalty of fatwa.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, speaking of fatwa, but what the hell are you doing going to Boris's for conditions?
Boris is amazing. He's from the old country.
Boris is an abomination. It's in the Torah. It says,
all right, you want to talk abomination? You want to talk abomination?
What?
What's that place you go to for conditions?
Missions.
All right, I hope you know what they say in the big house. I hope you know what they say.
Oh, what do they say?
You want to know what they say in the big house?
What do they say?
Snitches get stitches, and bitches eat knishes from missions.
Guys, that's all great, but I just need to know where the bathroom is.
Oh, you go to
no, the best bathroom anything.
You'll get hepatitis.